How to book Lyft in advance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can book Lyft in advance, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to book Lyft in advance, what you have to do is first of all go ahead and then launch the Lyft application, then search your destination as to where you are currently going. And then once you search your destination, on the next specific page you will see all this sorts of information where you have to select your Lyft type, and then you have to select the option called schedule, which is at the bottom right hand side of the screen. And once you tap on the option called schedule over here, you will be able to select your pickup location as well. So go ahead and then select your pickup location and then simply confirm it. Once you've done that, it'll ask you to select the time as to when you want the ride to be automatically booked. And after you've done that, just tap on the set pickup line button at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on set pickup time, you just need to tap on the option called schedule, and on your desired time your Lyft app will automatically go ahead and then pick a ride for you. And that's all it takes to book Lyft in advance. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.